Hi, welcome back. This is just a quick video to let everyone know that I made it back home safe for my trip there. The old Yamaha, she did good. Needs a wash for sure. It's pretty dirty and filthy. Oh, lots of bugs. But overall, it was a great trip. A little over 11,000 kilometers in 9 days, so that's not too bad. For the most part, everything went as planned. There's unfortunately one person I was supposed to meet up with and just wasn't in the cards this trip. But other than that, everything went pretty good. The smoke in BC was pretty thick at times, and then there was a couple roads that were closed. But overall, it was pretty good. So I'm still in the process of getting caught up with everything. So I have quite a few comments I haven't responded back to yet. I've just been too busy. But I'm hoping in this next week that I'll get caught up with everything and everything will be back to normal in that sense. And I'll do a more detailed video with like fuel economy and that kind of stuff, and I'll try to do a little better breakdown when I have more time. So it's just a quick video, let everyone know I'm still alive, trip's good, I'm back home. Thanks for watching. Be patient in the comments for about the next week or so I can get caught up. And any comments though I will respond to. It's just going to take me a second. Have a great day.